Hello, today we will guide you through how to forward messages in Slack Workspace. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to take an existing message and send it to the right person or channel, along with a quick note for context. This is especially useful when you want to share an update, escalate an issue, or loop in a teammate without copying and pasting. Start by opening Slack and navigating to your workspace. From the main view, click Home to make sure you're looking at your primary workspace navigation. This helps you quickly access channels and direct messages from the left sidebar. If your layout looks a bit different, don't worry. Slack updates its interface periodically, but the options we'll use are the same. Next, open the channel that contains the message you want to share. For example, you might go into a sample channel where the original conversation took place. Scroll to find the specific message you want to forward. It could be a status update, a file share, or an important announcement that someone else needs to see. When you found it, right-click on the message. This opens the Message Actions menu. From the list of options, choose Forward Message. Forwarding keeps the original content intact and includes a link back to the source, so your recipients can jump directly into the conversation if they need more context. A forwarding window will appear. In the recipient field, start typing the name of a person or the name of a channel. Slack will suggest matches as you type. Select the correct destination carefully, especially if your workspace has similarly named channels. Keep in mind that you can only forward to places you have permission to access, and you should avoid sending sensitive information to public channels. Below the recipient, add a short note. This message is optional, but it's great for context. Explain why you're forwarding the item, what you need, or what to pay attention to. Keep it clear and concise, so your recipients understand the purpose at a glance. Once everything looks good, click Forward. Slack will deliver the original message to the destination you chose, along with your note. If you need to confirm, you can navigate to that channel or direct message to see the forwarded content and make sure it appears as expected. That's it. You've successfully forwarded a message in Slack. Remember to double-check your recipient, include a brief explanation, and respect privacy guidelines. Thanks for following along, and happy collaborating.